Kawasaki Vulcan Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The allure of the open road and the sense of freedom that comes with motorcycling captivate the hearts of beginners and seasoned riders alike. For novices entering this exciting realm, choosing the right motorcycle is a crucial step. The Kawasaki Vulcan series offers a perfect blend of comfort, style, and accessibility for those new to the cruiser segment. With their relaxed riding positions, iconic design, and user-friendly features, Kawasaki Vulcans stand as exceptional choices for beginners seeking to embark on their cruiser journey. Relaxed cruising and approachable power. At the heart of the Kawasaki Vulcan series lies a range of engines that provide an optimal balance between power and manageability. These engines offer approachable torque and acceleration, enabling beginners to experience the joy of cruising without overwhelming them. Comfortable riding ergonomics. The Vulcan series is renowned for its comfortable riding positions, characterized by relaxed handlebar placements, forward-set foot pegs, and comfortable seats. This ergonomic design ensures that beginners can enjoy extended rides with minimal strain on their body. Iconic cruiser design and aesthetics. The Vulcan series embodies the quintessential cruiser style, with flowing lines, classic contours, and chrome accents. Novice riders not only experience the comfort of cruising but also embrace the timeless aesthetics that cruiser motorcycles are known for. Smooth handling and stability. Kawasaki Vulcans offer smooth and stable handling, providing a confidence-inspiring riding experience for beginners. Their low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis contribute to a sense of control and stability on the road. Comprehensive safety features. Safety remains a priority, especially for novice riders. Many Vulcan models come equipped with features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, that enhance braking control and stability, offering beginners an added layer of confidence as they navigate different riding scenarios. The joy of long-distance touring. The comfortable riding positions and spacious seats of Kawasaki Vulcans make them well-suited for long-distance touring. Beginners can explore new places and savor the joy of extended journeys while enjoying the cruiser's relaxed and immersive experience. Community and rider bonding. Cruiser enthusiasts form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, advice, and camaraderie with fellow riders who share a passion for the cruiser lifestyle. Room for skill progression. The Vulcan series encourages skill development as beginners gain confidence. Novice riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, gradually mastering the art of cruising and refining their riding techniques. Long-term riding satisfaction. Kawasaki Vulcans aren't just introductory choices, they're companions for the cruiser journey ahead. The bike's comfort, performance, and brand recognition ensure that riders can continue to enjoy their Vulcan motorcycle as they evolve from novice riders to experienced cruisers. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Vulcan series offers beginners a gateway to the world of cruiser motorcycles, combining comfort, style, and user-friendly features. With their relaxed cruising experience, iconic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, Vulcan models provide an all-encompassing introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Vulcan motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the exploration of the open road.